What's up, guys? Good evening. Boom. And once more, guys, we are going to Charm's place. But it's a weekday today. But guess what? Why are we going there? Because her father's birthday. So this is kind of special. A lot more of foods to be eaten, a lot more of cakes to be baked. Actually, it's already baked, it's already ready. We will just go there just to eat, to celebrate her father's birthday. So let's go. So we're here now, guys. Why are you not eating? Later. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. So after 4 hours, I think the party is over. Yeah.
Not for us, though.
Not for us, because we're still young. The night is young, and we're not yet done. As usual. Right? Hi! Say hi!
Hi!
Nasusunod ka ba ng malalaking damit?
So, it's acoustic night. And uwi na.
It's so subtle.
I'm in trouble, and I love to be in trouble with you. It's swapping games, get on. Too much takeout, and there's more.
Look!
What? Look! Shopping, bro.
Good for 1 week.
Good for 1 week. This one.
Good for 1 day.
Good for 1 day. With coffee, bro.
We need goods.
With coffee. What?
Bawang po. Oh.
What? And this is also for dads.
Kompleto to from breakfast to dinner.
So the party's ended and we're happy.
Wow,
going
still
home.
an English mode.
Yeah. Thanks to
the sponsor.
the mansion once again. The mansion of foods. Overwhelming of foods.
Extension of our kitchen.
Extension of our. Next time we will make some sushi, right? Yeah. We will buy some sushi kit and we will make some sushi. Brad, ang ganda ang siyak mo dyan, Brad, ha? So what's up, guys? Good evening, and yeah, I really appreciate the attention that you gave on my English vlog challenge. I thank you in advance for participating, but many of you agreed to do my English vlog challenge. So thank you very much, and I'll just give a quick shout out to ones that recently commented on that video, so get ready. So quick shout out Ate Melanie Lim. She said twice ko na to ginawa. Every November 25 kasi is my English only vlog, so this is not new for you, Ate Mel. So good luck to my challenge. Sana magawa mo siya kahit hindi November 25 ngayon. Live with Abby and RJ, we'll do this sa vlog ko. Thank you. Si Abby, na-meet ko na rin yan personally. First vloggers meet up. Yeah, and the second time also, I think she's there also. The second annual vloggers meet up. Shout out kay Ate Nance na always commenting, always nandyan. Kay Dav Lorito, haha, I also only vlog in English para international, diba? Yeah, actually that's my goal, because to get a bigger audience, you need to speak in English so that Americans, UK people, or Australian people can understand you. But I hope Filipino people will support me. All the Filipino, like millions of them. So I have millions of views every day. And to Krisha M, who gave me the idea, shout out to you. Ate Dane, my kapitbahay, Takless Chai, shout out. He has also a YouTube channel, Takless Chai. Yuden Hon, kakamiss naman magbingo. Actually, last night when we played bingo, I haven't won anything. I just won one game. Like I won 6 reals, but I kinda lost like 25 or 30 reals, something like that. But yeah, it's a good game, it's fun, and that's life. You win, you lose. Kay ate, perfecta magdamag. Wahaha, nakatag talaga ako. Dudugo ilong ko o baka mute lang buong vlog ko. Di ako nagsasalita, sign language lang. We can do this, ate, perfecta. We also met in the Philippines also. What? I also met her in the Philippines once, and I hope to meet you once again. Also, my vacation is on June, last week of June. So get ready, guys. I have a road trip on Pangasinan. Lilibutin namin ng Pangasinan, guys. Abangan nyo yan. And hola sa family. Shout out to you, Girl Alush, Perky Vlog, Anonymous Singer 11. Shout out to all adobers. Actually, if you haven't know yet, I'm a member of Chicken Pork Adobo Network under ABS-CBN. So yeah, I'm on a network called Chicken Pork Adobo. Also, like Lloyd Cafe Cadena, he's under Chicken Pork Adobo. Hash5, also Chicken Pork Adobo. Brent Rock, also under Chicken Pork Adobo. So we're on the same level. And yeah, that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. This is short, but I still upload this, and I'm thinking of something that can improve my vlog if I don't have any vlog. Like what's trending on Facebook, what's trending on YouTube, what's trending on Twitter or Instagram, and I'll discuss it to you. Is that okay? Actually, I don't want I'm thinking to make a separate vlog video, same channel, but separate video for every what is trending on Facebook and any social media. But I guess I'll start here. Okay, so whenever I have seen a trending topic, I'll just list it and then talk and discuss it with you guys. What's happening on the internet world. Maybe you missed it or you didn't see it. So if you're watching my vlog, you will know what's trending on Facebook or any social media. So once more, guys, thank you very much and stay positive. I know that my vlogs are getting better now. I'm feeling better. I'm feeling positive. I don't have any grudges or any sad feelings right now. All positive and energetic. But I hope this continues. I hope na I keep on improving myself more. And yeah, that's all. See you guys when I see you.